So, for my final, one of the options was video to show how you did the three problems that you are allowed to have, one of each of 7 to 11. So, for the first one that I did 8A, which is basically find the window feet, I believe. So, what I did was for the rectangle, it is A equals LXW. So, since there really is an X, I guess that was 3.14. But basically, L and W are 8 times 12 if you move the X over, which is, or actually, W would be 3.14 and L and X would be 8 and 12. So 8 times 12 equals 96 divided by 3.14 equals 30.6 feet squared, because you always got to add the squared after. So that means the windowsill would be 30.6 feet squared. And don't mind that yellow stain. If you saw that was an insect issue and the failed attempt at one of the other ones. The second problem that I did was, hold on, I'm just checking my notes real quick. 10A. So what I did here was basically 2 and negative 4 are x1, y1. And then for 12, or the second one, that is 12, negative 8. So I did x2, x2, y2. So then I did 2 minus 12 plus 4. Now negative 4 plus 8, which, since a negative and a negative make a positive, that is a plus, which equals r squared. Next to do 10, the 2 minus 12 equals 10 plus 12, which is 4 and 8. Actually, sorry, I'm thinking right now. Yeah, that would add into 12, I believe. I hope. So that would equal 22, and then r equals 22, because 22 times r equals 488, I think, or it was 484. I don't know which one, but it was close to that. Now this one was the bottom one with all the triangles was 7A. This is all the stuff I tried figuring out how to figure it out exactly. So basically what I solved for as the final part was I decided to go back to the, if you look here, this is basically failed attempt of how to figure it out, which I thought was 48 equals 28. But after moving it around and flipping my computer upside down to make it straight, the left and right side were unequal, so I believe that even though the formula says both are supposed to be equal sides, what I could not find was equal sides, so my guess is that basically they are uneven, and I hope I'm right about that, but basically what happened is I did 16 over 2 times x over 14, equals 14 over 3 times x. 2 times 16 equals 32, and then 14 over 3, you multiply that, which equals 42. Which I believe is right, because if you flip the triangle like this, it's kind of uneven on one side, so the long side of 14 would have to be 42, and then this side with the 2 would have to be 32. If we just look at the length, that would just make sense. But those are my answers for the final, and I hope that I did good on that, and thank you for listening to my babbling for 3 minutes and nearly 30 seconds. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.